Book number 4. It took a very long time to finish this one. To be honest, no matter how much you love Harry Potter series, this is the slowest book to read. I'm sorry, but it is. It just is. You just can't like keep on reading it. You can't remain hooked to it for a very long time, and that is why I struggled with like prolonged reading for Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. But eventually, I finished it. Took a while, and I have a lot of complaints about the movies. So, I think first off, we should talk about Dobby because Dobby the free house elf जो चेम्बर ऑफ सीक्रेट्स में जैसे हैरी ने फ्री किया था वो थ्रू आउट all the books है okay he exists how do you say that word he exists this word is really tricky guys he exists in Harry's life throughout okay he comes repeatedly उसकी हेल्प करता है आके बार बार और इसमें कितनी बार he has like के come in and इतनी बड़ी बात छुपाई हमसे कि जो गिली हुई वाली हेल्प्स थी फॉर द सेकेंड टास्क इन गॉबलेट ऑफ फायर जो हैरी की हेल्प की थी वो एक्चुअली डॉबी ने की थी नेविल ने नहीं की थी आई मीन व्हाई डिड यू गिव द क्रेडिट टू नेविल I understand that he also deserves some credit because he's a very good character. But Dobby, you can't remove Dobby from the whole film. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Anyway, so बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ दूसरी वाली डॉबी के अलावा जो मुझे लगा कि मूवी में क्यों नहीं दिखाई है वो थी कि द वीजली फैमिली केम टू पिक अप हैरी टू पिवट ड्राइव टू द डर्डलीज sorry to the Dursleys I always get confused to the Dursleys house and it was so chaotic they should have shown that to us you know it should have been hilarious to see that so I have a complaint with the movie is that इतनी important चीज़ें हमें क्यों नहीं दिखाई गई I mean it was a treat to read all of that to be honest apart from like a slow read it still was a very good like it got better in the second half but the introduction to Tom Riddle's house and the whole village or town or wherever he used to live in the beginning I felt was very slow for me as a reader and I understand because we needed that background to eventually know the dream that Harry's been having and what Voldemort is up to but still थोड़ा उसको शॉर्ट में एक्सप्लेन किया जा सकता था इट वॉज I felt it a little bit dragged, but whatever. It's okay. I mean, 7 books, itni badhiya likhna, it's not easy. And you have to like give us things that we feel we don't need, but maybe we eventually do. I'm blabbering at this point. और बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हमें मूवीज़ में बिल्कुल ही कह सकते हैं गुमराह किया था मूवीज़ के थ्रू वो ये कि सीरियस ब्लैक ने प्रिजनर ऑफ एस्केबन के बाद सिर्फ 1 या 2 बार ही कांटेक्ट किया था गॉबलेट ऑफ फायर में हैरी को विच वाज नॉट ट्रू दे वर एक्सचेंजिंग लेटर्स लाइक थ्रू आउट द बुक पूरे बुक में दे वर एक्सचेंजिंग लेटर्स एंड yeah they were communicating and it was really nice to read and then of course I really like Pigvision the small owl that actually Sirius had gifted to Ron because Scabbers was eventually Wormtail so every scene and every description of Pigvision was very cute and adorable and of course I like every time they are at the burrow or the Harry Potter and the Weasleys are together it is amazing it is like the best thing to watch and to go for so I thoroughly enjoyed it this is like the first series that I'm reading that I'm not underlining anything and I feel like I should have maybe but I'm just enjoying them too much that I just can't like get up and do that. And the best part about this book was Harry Potter giving his Triwizard earnings to the Weasley twins for their joke shop. It was amazing. It was such a heartwarming, amazing moment, and the movies robbed it of us. And I just hated that after reading that कि इतनी बढ़िया बात कैसे यार मूवी में नहीं दिखा सकते हैं इतने सारे अच्छे अच्छे मोमेंट्स they could have put they had the time limit. ऐसा नहीं है कि 2.5 घंटे से ज़्यादा की मूवी हम नहीं देखते. I mean, recently I watched Dhurandhar movie, for example. It was such a great movie. 3.5 घंटे की, but we watched it and we liked every bit of it, right? Similarly, we could have done that with Harry Potter. आप like एक scene 15 मिनट का shoot extra कर लेते. What was the big deal about? I mean, you could have given us a good, better movie. But I feel that in terms of movie, Goblet of Fire movie के रूप में अच्छी थी. It was a good directed movie. It was solely focused on the 3 major tasks and the Triwizard Tournament rather than what was going on inside Harry's head or, you know, in all the relationships. So it's fine. It was their, like, I think it was their, you can say, aim since the beginning, that they're only going to show the things that are leading up to Voldemort versus Harry ka battle since the first movie, which is fine. But of course, I would have a complaint that बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमें नहीं दिखाई गई in the movies, and I'm so glad that I'm reading the books and I'm enjoying them thoroughly. Currently, I'm reading I don't know. Currently, I'm reading Order of the Phoenix, and it is a 700 pages book, okay, but I finished 400 pages already in 2 days. So you see, it is much thicker than this book, but it's much better. For me, it was a much faster and good, better read than Goblet of Fire. So yeah, that's it about Goblet of Fire. And I wouldn't say this is my favorite book out of Harry Potter. I still would say that Prisoner of Azkaban still at the top, and Chamber of Secrets at the second number. I would rate Philosopher's Stone at number 3, and I think this is still going at number 4, Goblet of Fire. And Order of the Phoenix, of course, I actually forgot which one the first I rated. Anyway, you get the point that this book is a little slow, but of course I want to know the story. Of course I want to know what's going on. Of course I wanted to know every detail that we missed out in the movies. And that's why you have to read it. You have to sit it through. And by the end of it, you feel like, it's okay if it took a while, but it was worth it. So that's it about today's video. And next time I'll come up with something else, maybe a book talk or maybe another life talk. I don't know. We'll see about it. And let me know how you like my new hairstyle. I cut these bangs by myself, guys. You know, I'm that kind of person that gets bored with their hair very often. So I do these kind of shenanigans, and I have a wedding to attend in November. So I took a risk because November tak to grow hi jayenge. And I think they pretty much suit me. What do you guys think? Please don't say anything bad because it's already done. Okay, and let me know which books are you reading right now, which book is your favorite out of all the Harry Potter books, and don't say anything about my hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel. Namaste.